You're a freelancer or small business owner looking for accounting software, and you've narrowed it down to Wave or ZipBooks. Both are affordable, both promise easy bookkeeping, but which one actually delivers? Today, I'm breaking down the real differences with hands-on insights. If you handle your own finances, hit subscribe, let's compare. Wave is completely free accounting software, invoicing, expense tracking, receipts, even payroll and payments as paid add-ons. It's been around since 2010, trusted by millions of small businesses. No subscription fees ever. ZipBooks has a free tier too, but it's limited. Their paid plans start at $15 a month and unlock smart features like auto-categorization and tax preparation tools. Both target solopreneurs and small teams, but their approaches are very different. Pricing model. Wave wins on cost. Everything is free except payments, 2.9% plus 30 cents, and payroll $40 a month. ZipBooks free tier is restrictive, only one user, limited invoices. Their smarter plan, $15 a month, and sophisticated plan, $35 a month, unlock the real power. If budget is tight, Wave is unbeatable. Invoicing. Both handle professional invoices well. Wave lets you send unlimited invoices for free with customizable templates. ZipBooks has smarter automation, recurring invoices, payment reminders, and late fee calculators built in. Wave requires manual follow-up. For hands-off invoicing, ZipBooks edges ahead. Expense tracking. Wave uses basic receipt. Scanning you upload, it extracts data, you categorize manually. ZipBooks has intelligent auto-categorization that learns your patterns and tags expenses automatically. It saves hours during tax season. If you track a lot of expenses, ZipBooks is way more efficient. Reporting. Wave offers standard reports, profit and loss, balance sheet, tax summaries, clean but basic. ZipBooks gives you predictive insights, cash flow forecasts, burn rate analysis, budget versus actual comparisons. It's like having a CFO dashboard. For data-driven decisions, ZipBooks is superior. Bank connections. Wave connects to US and Canadian banks for free with unlimited transactions. ZipBooks also syncs banks smoothly, but the free plan limits monthly transactions. Both update daily, both handle reconciliation well. Pretty even here. User experience. Wave has a cleaner, simpler interface, perfect if you just want basic bookkeeping without noise. ZipBooks packs more features, so it feels busier but more powerful. Wave is easier for beginners. ZipBooks grows with you as your business scales. Tax preparation. Wave integrates with tax software but doesn't prepare taxes directly. ZipBooks' sophisticated plan includes tax prep tools and quarterlies tracking calculates estimated taxes automatically. For freelancers managing 1,099 seconds, ZipBooks is a time saver. Customer support. Wave offers email support only. Responses can take 24 to 48 hours. ZipBooks has email and live chat on paid plans, faster response times. If you need help quick, ZipBooks wins. Here's the verdict. Wave is perfect if you want completely free, straightforward accounting with solid invoicing and expense tracking, ideal for side hustles or super lean startups. ZipBooks is better if you need automation, predictive analytics, and tax prep tools, and you're willing to pay $15 $3.5 month for serious time savings. Wave for simplicity and zero cost, ZipBooks for growing businesses that need smarter features. That's the honest comparison. Links to both in the description with trial info. If this helped you decide, smash that like and subscribe for more business software breakdowns. See you next time.